Hi children, welcome back. Let us see the properties of air. Properties of air. So first property of the air is number 1. Air exert pressure. Air exert pressure. मतलब sorry, एयर प्रेशर को एग्जर्ट कर सकते हैं, मतलब प्रेशर डाल सकते हैं एयर। 2, एयर ऑक्युपाइज द प्लेस, एयर ऑक्युपाइज द स्पेस। एंड थर्ड वन, एयर इट हैज weight, air has weight, air has weight, right? And as well as it shows the pressure, it occupies the place, it has the weight, and it air require to burn the material, to burn the material. And next, fifth one, air is required to make sound, to make sound we require air. So these are the characters of air. One by one let us discuss. The first one, let us see, air occupies the space. Air occupies space. Occupy का मतलब क्या है? वहाँ आना, right? So it occupies the space. For example, it is my pocket. Do you know in my pocket air is there? Yes, really, it is, air is there, but we are unable to see. It is gaseous form, right? But it is there. So each and every empty space can be filled with the air. Don't you believe? So look here, I am going to prove that air occupies space. Air occupies space. Now take a glass. चलो एम्प्टी ग्लास, आप बोल रहे कि इसमें कुछ नहीं, एयर नहीं, कुछ नहीं. ओके, टेक ए ग्लास एंड कीप सम कॉटन वूल हियर. कॉटन, कापूस रखने का इसमें, राइट? एंड देन टेक ए बकेट फुल ऑफ वाटर, and now in this water try to push the glass by inverted. ग्लास को उल्टा रख के उसमें डुबाओ. क्या होगा? अब देखो, ये ग्लास और अब इसमें डुबा है एंड यहाँ कॉटन है, राइट? when you dip the glass, then the air present here, it never allows the water molecule to get in. वो वाटर को अंदर आने नहीं देता, यहाँ रोक देता, क्योंकि यहाँ वाटर है. आप डुबाए तो भी कॉटन वूल वेट नहीं होगा. यहाँ पे ये जो कापूस आपने रखा है वो कापूस वेट नहीं होगा, क्योंकि अंदर ग्लास के अंदर एयर है. जो एयर है वो एयर पानी को अंदर नहीं आने दे, मतलब पानी आधा है और हवा आधा है, इसलिए ये हवा से भरा हुआ है, वाटर कापूस तक नहीं पहुंचा, राइट? So by this you can say air occupies the space. If you want to see the air, then simply tilt the glass. ग्लास को थोड़ा हल्का सा मूव करो. जब क्या होगा? ग्लास में से हवा का बबल्स आ जाएगा, एयर बबल्स आके ग्लास के अंदर पानी घुस जाएगा. पानी घुस जाके जो कॉटन का है ना वो अब वेट हो जाएगा, राइट? आई विल शो यू दिस practically. So here air occupies the space. Wherever the empty space is there, definitely it is occupied by the air. This experiment shows that air occupies the space, right? Hi children, this is the experiment to show that air, it occupies the empty place, and as well as it can able to show the pressure, right? So now here it is the empty glass, and it is filled with air. Actually we are unable to see, but it is filled with air. So let us see whether it is true or not. Now I have taken a paper, it is dry paper, right? Now I am inserting this dry paper into the glass. You could take even the cotton also, but I have taken a paper, normal white paper, and I press it at the bottom, right? Now it's totally dry, the paper is dry, just look at this, paper is dry, and now I inverted and dipping in the water. Look at this, I am dipping in the water. See, I am dipping, right? I kept in and I slowly taking it out, right? Okay. Now see, do paper get wet? No, not yet. Again I am inserting. See this, look at this. You should dip in straight, right? I dipped in. Okay, now I am taking out from the water. See, do it get wet? No. Why? Because inside there is air which stopping the entry of liquid, water. Now see, if you allow the water to come in, then air will go out, then your paper will be get wetted. Right. Now I dipped in. See, I allowed some water. Look, I allowed some. Let me see. The air is escaping from the glass. Are you able to see the water in the glass? See, and this gap, whatever the gap at my thumb that you are seeing, that is air gap. Means little amount of water is entered, and that is air gap. Right? Even now also the paper is not wet, because some air is there and it is stopping the entry of water in it. Now, okay, now I am dipping again, right? Look at this, now I am dipping again, and let us see what happens when you dip it again in the same manner. Right, I am dipping and I am allowing the air to go out and water to get in. Right, completely it get wet, right? So this indicates that air always occupies the space. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this experiment, right? Thank you.